Thank you very much for this excellent question, which is at the heart of what the World Bank is trying to do in support of justice modernization in Egypt. So the World Bank started supporting the justice sector in its entirety roughly 2 years ago. And based on our experience from all other parts of the world, in Europe, in Central Asia, in Africa, and so on and so forth, we have developed this specific methodology that is citizen and business-centric justice modernization. The idea is that we shift the perspective of justice modernization from the institution's perspective towards the perspective of citizens and businesses, so the users. So we go through every step of the justice chain. We identify what are the needs, why do people, businesses go to justice, what are the obstacles that they encounter when the legal issue arises, when they look for a lawyer, when the case is being managed, when the enforcement stage occurs. So we look at these needs. We try to understand these needs, and then we formulate, let's say, an action plan, usually, that we address, that we, of course, propose to the justice institutions. And then we look at the justice institution, and then we say, is there the capacity to change, re-engineer this process to become citizen and business-centric? What are the needs of the institutions? And of course, how can the World Bank support? So the idea is always to look at both sides. What are the needs of the users of the justice chain? And then what are the capacity and skills and institutional setup of the justice sector to respond to these needs, and we try and support. So in Egypt, we are supporting the Ministry of Justice, the Court of Cassation, and importantly, the State Council. And our objective is to introduce and mainstream the citizen and business-centric approach. And hopefully, we will continue supporting the justice sector in Egypt, which we are very grateful to for the support.